Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel Biology Articles and MCQs. Guys, today we are discussing about a very important question, that how the gastric juice production is regulated in the stomach. Guys, you know that the gastric juice is a unique combination of HCl, water, mucus, lipase and pepsin, and it is secreted from the parietal cells of the stomach. The HCl, very important factor of gastric juice, make the medium acidic in our stomach and then kill the germs if any. The second important thing that is present in the gastric juice is the pepsin, and pepsin digests the proteins and convert it into the peptones, while the mucus helps to protect the stomach wall from the secretions of the HCl. Thus, there are some important factors which will regulate the gastric juice production in the stomach. And the first one is the smell and sight of food. When you are hungry, the smell and sight of food may cause the small amount of gastric juice to be secreted, just like the watering of the mouth. The second important factor is the presence of food in the mouth. Guys, now the food is in your mouth, undergoing the process of mastication. The nerves in the cheeks and tongues are stimulated and impulses will be carried to brain. Then the brain will send messages to stimulate the gastric glands in the stomach wall to secrete a small amount of gastric juice before the food arrives. The third important factor will be the presence of food in the stomach. Now the food is in your stomach, and when the food touches the lining of the stomach, more gastric juice will be poured, depending upon the composition of the food. For example, if you are taking the light food, then the relatively little amount of gastric juice will be secreted, while if you are taking meat or proteinaceous food, then the large amount of gastric juice will be secreted. The fourth very important factor is the production of gastrin. Guys, the small proteins molecules stimulate some of the cells of the stomach lining to secrete an important hormone that is known as gastrin. The gastrin diffuses into the blood and is carried by the capillaries back to the stomach, where it will stimulate the gastric glands to secrete more gastric juice. So these are the four important factors that are helping in the regulation of the gastric juice. So now guys, it's your turn to answer a question. Do you know that what is the color of the gastric juice? Comment the answer of this question in the comment section below, and don't forget to share this query with your friends. Thank you so much.